right over the FAU campus. There's the new stadium on their left there. Here's the new overpass they've put over on Dixie. You can tell just how flat Florida really is from up here. There's really much no hills of any kind. There's one off to our right side. There's one hill. And that's because it's man-made and it's a landfill. Garbage dump. Here we've got quite a bit more of the intercoastal. Forms a nice little pattern. Pretty much everybody has waterfront property. Here's the Hillsborough Inlet right here. There's the Lighthouse. You see it on the point there? Be able to see right down into the water. You see the reef there, the discoloration?
Wow, look at that, guys.
That's the reef.
Do you see sharks up here or no?
You do every once in a while. Sometimes they don't come quite in this far.
Look at that, wow.
But you definitely do see some fish from time to time. This is the Hillsborough Mile, or the Millionaire Mile. See this big house on the left with all the blocks? That's my favorite. It's big.
Look at the fountain in the back.
Look at it. This is the Deerfield beach, marked by these sea breakers. This is all public beach.
Oh, that's nice. What is that? Who has that up here, guys?
You have the Deerfield fishing pier sticking out in front of us, going out into the water.
Oh, we gotta go there, guys.
As we make a left turn here, this white building with the green windows on it, we're going to come right over it. It has swimming pools on the rooftop.
Oh my God, you feel that?
On our right is the Boca Raton Inlet, which leads right into Lake Boca Raton. The pink tower on our right side here, you see that? That's the Boca Raton Resort. This is Meisner Park on our right here with the palm trees. Everybody enjoy it?
Awesome.
Yeah, can I get a big thumbs up? Woo!